If nangita mo og tambayan sa southern area of the city, specifically sa Matina Aplaya Bongguyan area na nagaserve og lami na klase-klase ng mga pagkaon, naapag yun live band na mag-serenade from Wednesdays to Sundays, and a nice view of the seaside. Hello again guys! So for today's episode, uban na miss ako ang friends as we check out Masing's Mini Night Market. Mao ni ang exact location guys, so sa Matina Aplaya Bongguyan area. Pangitaa lang si Circle B in guys, so sulod lang gamay, and then sa left side makita na ninyo si Masing. Naarasad sila sa Google Maps. I give them plus points kay naa sila ample parking space. Tara guys, I'm going to give you a quick tour of the place. Now, I was really quite surprised kay dako man day kayo ilang lugar. If you're feeling a little extra, naa sila mga floating cottages dire. Mao ni ang small floating cottage and naapod sila big floating cottage for bigger groups. Balik ta pud ta sa sulod guys. So this is their small pavilion which can accommodate 20 to 25 people. And just walk a little further kay mao ni ang ilahang big pavilion. Naa sa di ay sila garden pavilion dire na perfect kayo para sa mga naay kids. Ang concept sa Masing's guys is mini night market siya. Naa sila mga tenants guys that serve different types of food. So sa kadaghan sa ilahang tenants guys, syaro wala kay mapilian na gusto nimo kaunon for that night. Syempre dili kompleto ang bonding guys kung walay pagkaon, diba? And this is everything that we ate that night. Kompleto na kaayo from seafood, naapoy pangpulutan, pork dishes ug pansit. And of course, naasad sila mga beef and kambing dishes diri guys. Daghan jud guys silang options diri. I'm sure maglisod jud mong pili. I really enjoyed this salted caramel drink from Masing's Cafe. Grabe jud niya ka-refreshing. Kaning sinampalokan was one of my favorites that night. Kuha kay niya ang certain level of aslum na ganahan ako. Generally guys, everything that we ate was good. My friends and I had no complaints. During our visit, timing na ay singer na nagkanta for us. And if bet ninyo guys, pwede pud mo makijam just like what Papi Brad did. Mondays and Tuesdays are chill, walay live band pero pwede mag-karaoke night dire. And in fairness, wala mi nainitan, grabe jud kahangin diri na side. Overall experience na mo guys, nalingaw jud ming tulo og bonding diri sa Masing's. You can never go wrong with great company, good food, and a nice ambience to just chill and bond with friends. Maunang sa mga nangita og tambayan dira, then you should add Masing's to your list. That's it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye!